Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I'm showing you the recipe of a mini donut hole. These are egg free. It's really tough to get the rise when they are egg free, but I think I've managed. They are little mini donut bites and I have a batch right here. So let me show you up close and personal. And I do want to tell you, they've got omega-3 in them too. So here's one of them, and let me break it open and show you inside. Bready, donutty, yummy. Amazing. To get this result when there are no eggs in it has been quite a challenge for me. So we're standing in my kitchen, so let's get cooking. So let's begin with the recipe. We begin with 1/4 of a cup of coconut flour, 1/4 of a cup of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal, 1 teaspoon of xantham gum. This is great to bind the mixture. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. 1/4 of a cup of a sweetener of your choice. I've used a blend of erythritol and stevia. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. A pinch of salt, always to bring out the flavor. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So now we're going to give this all a mix in our mixing bowl. It's almost done. It's as simple as that. Amazing. So after we've given it a mix, now we're going to add water and make this into a dough, tablespoon by tablespoon. So that's 1 tablespoon. Give it a little mix with that 1 tablespoon. You'll see it clumping up together a bit. Next goes the 2nd tablespoon. Don't put all the water in together because you can't subtract water. You can always add water. So we are in with 2 tablespoons of water. And I think it'll take 1 more tablespoon of water. So now I'm putting my hands in. My hands are very clean. And I'm bringing it into a dough. You'll see that it's still a bit dry. So in goes my 3rd tablespoon of water. You can even afford to take it up to 4, but no more than that. So now you bring it all together in the dough, and this is what it looks like. You bring it into a ball with all the flavors all mixed in. It comes into a nice dough. You let it rest for about 10 minutes, and then we are going to break little bits out of the main ball and make small little balls. Do remember these are going to fluff up a bit, so don't make the balls too big. They're not going to fluff up too much, but they will. I think they will double in size. So I'm making these all into little balls. So let me do that and I'll show you when they're all done. Just see that it's a nice smooth ball. If there are any cracks, do fill them in. Here I go, showing you making another ball. So I'll do all of them, and this is what we have. We have quite a few here, about I think 14 to 16. Now in they go into my deep fryer. Give them a little space. Don't put too many in. Well, mine is a little small, my deep fryer, but I can put in about 5-6 because they are going to expand in size. If you don't have a deep fryer, no problem. Take a pan, fill it with the oil of your choice, and then put them in and fry them. This will take altogether about a minute and a half, 2 minutes to fry. Can you see that they are fluffing up? If you can look into my deep fryer, you can watch them fluffing up. And do remember, they will be a little extra brown because they have flaxseed meal in it. I wanted to add some health too. So that's my first little donut hole that's out, and I'm going to fry all of them, and which I've already done. And now I'm going to show you how to make the coating. So that's a bowl which has a mixture of cinnamon powder and a sweetener, and in the other bowl I have melted butter. So take each of your donut holes and roll them around in the melted butter, and then in the cinnamon and sweetener mixture, and yeah, you do all of them like that, and you have these amazing, healthy, I can't imagine it, but they're really healthy donut holes. Do subscribe to my channel to help me grow, and don't forget to press the bell, and join me on Instagram too. Thank you for watching. Bye then. See you again.